Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In what could be classified as a classic case of Igbophobia, some Nigerians who are Igbophobic have taken to social media to blast Barcelona Femeni football club for using Igbo language to bid farewell to Asisat Oshoala, one of the best strikers this continent has ever produced in female football. Now, how did this come about? That is what we're going to talk about right now. Thank you and welcome on board. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, in what was termed as a classic, what you could term a classic case of Igbophobia, some Nigerians have blasted Barcelona Football Club, Barcelona Femeni, that's the female football club of Barcelona, for bidding farewell to Nigerian star Asisat Oshoala in Igbo language. And as you know, or ought to know, Igbo language is one of the major languages spoken in Nigeria. At least, it's a very recognizable language in the world, emanating from Nigeria. Now, this Igbophobia, the Igbophobians, that's what I call them, the Igbophobians, call it another failure by Barcelona. They say it is another failure of Barcelona because Barcelona used Igbo language to bid farewell to Asisat Oshoala. And they took to social media to vent their anger and frustration towards Barcelona Femeni Club of Spain. And that is basically because the club wished Falcons star Asisat Oshoala farewell using what they deemed the wrong language. Now, after 5 years with the Catalans, Oshoala decided it was time to take her trade elsewhere and sealed a transfer to NWSC expansion side BAFE FC in a monumental deal for the new team in the United States of America. Now, as a testament to her service to the club, Barcelona Femeni thanked Oshoala on their social media handles, including the X, formerly known as Twitter. The message, wholly written in Spanish, with only one line in Igbo, which says, Dalo Nkuku, Dalo Nkuku. That is what gets a lot of people in Nigeria offended. In Nigeria, the country of our Asisat, that's what gets them offended. This one line, Dalo Nkuku Asisat, by the Barcelona Femeni Football Club. They were not asking how Barcelona, after being with the player for 5 years, does not know. They are asking, one of the things they were asking is, they say, why is it that Barcelona did not know that Oshoala is not Igbo? Asisat Oshoala is not Igbo. That Barcelona ought to have known. But they were not offended that Barcelona didn't bid her farewell in English language, since she is from an English-speaking country. At least Barcelona ought to have known that Nigeria is an English-speaking country. They were not offended. These Igbophobians were not offended that they didn't use English language. The whole of the X message to Oshoala in farewell were written wholly in Spanish. Only one line was in Igbo. They were not angry. Now, if Barcelona had written everything in Spanish, they would not have been offended. They would not have been offended that Barcelona, a Spanish club, didn't know that Oshoala is from English-speaking Nigeria. But what they were offended was that they used Igbo language. That one line is what pissed them off. They were offended. These Igbophobians. They were not happy about this. I'm sure, perhaps, if that one-liner was done in Hausa language, perhaps they would not be offended. But for Barcelona, having the temerity to give that one line in Igbo makes them angry. They were mad. And the media, also mainstream media, begin to broadcast their madness with the use of the language. They were offended. Good enough, I'm yet to see Oshoala getting offended by that farewell by her former club. But the Igbophobians have succeeded in exposing themselves to the world through their action. The truth of the matter remains that Igbo is a popular Nigerian language, and Barcelona obviously thought Oshoala will understand and appreciate their gesture. Asisat is a Nigerian, and when she won the African Footballer of the Year for women, Nigerians celebrated. Nobody said that the celebration should be restricted to Yoruba language or to Yorubas celebrating her accomplishment. Yet, you have some various Igbophobians who are on social media complaining bitterly because Igbo language was used to bid Asisat farewell. One of them even asked, what made Barcelona think Asisat is Igbo? Why? They can continue to ask that question to Barcelona. But I think Barcelona and Asisat has moved on. Let the bitterness continue with the Igbophobians. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, excuse me, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you will be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you and God bless you and yours.